Hello, this is Matt on the Moon Lambo channel, and price action in the world of crypto a little bit down today. Now, for any of you that have been tracking the sentiments of many mainstream crypto chart analysts, especially the ones that I cover on my channel with a certain amount of regularity, you're probably not surprised by this. It was such that crypto asset class had run up. XRP, Bitcoin, pretty much all coins, right? It had to run up to such a degree that an inevitable pullback was going to occur, and we are seeing that away. So the question is the bullish sentiment truly over? Well, I tell you what, there's one chart analyst who says that XRP is flashing a buy signal right now. And I've got opinions from all sorts of chart analysts and traders in this video that I want to share with you. Now, I do not have a financial background, and I don't offer financial advice, and so you should not buy or sell because of anything that I say. I'm just an enthusiastic member of the XRP community that likes tracking the sentiments from traders out there, and I like sharing their opinions, but I'm not going to pretend to be something I'm not. I don't know how to read charts. I don't want to learn how to read charts. I prefer to just track fundamentals. That's what I feel I'm better at, and to me, that's genuinely substantially more enjoyable. I have no interest in being a trader, but I do appreciate the sentiments and the opinions out there from people that know how to read a damn chart. So, hence these videos. And it's clear that I'm not the only one that likes this type of information, or nobody would watch this stuff. But before we go any further here, if you would please delicately tap that like button, and if you're a fan of Ripple and XRP, do the right thing. Subscribe to the Moon Lambo channel. It proves you're a good person. All right, let's go ahead and jump in now. So the crypto asset class, it's down to $290 billion, and that's a market cap. Bitcoin's at $9,928, so it did dip below that $10,000 psychological level. XRP is at 30.9 cents as I record this. And so that's a notable drop. You can look over the last 24 hours, and here's the 24-hour chart. So it's dropped 9.13%. in that time period. But again, none of this should be terribly surprising to anybody if you're tracking this type of stuff. Bitcoin in the last 24 hours is down 3.8%, with its 24-hour high being at $10,321.11. So we'll start here. From chart analyst Dennis Surachuk, who works at a crypto media outlet named You Today, he titled his piece, Top 3 Price Predictions, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, is bullish sentiment over? And I'm just going to cover the XRP portion of this right here. XRP is also striving to maintain a bullish trend, rising above 1.91% over the last 24 hours. And so we have the benefit of hindsight, as is usually the case here. But here's what he had to say earlier today. Although XRP is still dominated by bulls, their correction is about to start soon. First of all, it is confirmed by the declining trading volume. Moreover, there is a bearish divergence on the RSI indicator. In this case, the nearest support level is the 32-cent mark. And at press time, XRP was trading at 33.52 cents. So we knew that something was coming here. And so if 32 cents was indeed that support level, it broke. Because XRP is at, as I stated, 30.9 cents. I don't know if it's going to go any lower, but it's down. Now here's another piece from You Today, and it's titled XRP price floats at 33 cents. So this was a little bit earlier today again. Things happen fast in crypto. Community believes higher gains on horizon. Investor Kevin Cage, who is my fellow XRP YouTuber, says that people are starting to pay attention to XRP only now, while they had plenty of time to accumulate XRP before, while it was trading below 20 cents. He reckons that interest to assets rising in price is much higher than those which are in the lows, and he also believes that when XRP hits $1, many will start buying it only then. And you see, here's the tweet from Kevin Cage. He wrote, friends and family hitting me up today to buy XRP because they saw it was up a little. Human psychology, folks. Nobody wanted to pull the trigger when it was 18 cents. Imagine how many people will hit you up when we actually get moving. They'll buy at $1. Hashtag had their chance. Hashtag XRP community. And so I can appreciate that most certainly here. Technical analysts are also bullish on this coin, although they pay much more attention to Bitcoin and Ethereum. And you can see here's a tweet from the Crypto Dog who wrote, XRP has some room to move. Now, that was 2 days ago. They should have gotten something more recent, in my opinion. That was February 13th, since we're talking about price action, at least something from today. There's plenty of content from today. But nonetheless. Here's the next piece, and this is from Bitcoin. Bitcoin Ethereum prices may dip below $9,000 and $200 respectively before next rally. The cryptocurrency market will not go up all the time, and corrections from current levels are highly probable. Recent analysis shows, based on quantum hedge fund data, Bitcoin Ethereum prices may face a correction before picking up the pace again to build the 2020 bull market. There's a tweet on the screen indicating as much. Bitcoin price has drifted sideways between $10,200 and $10,300 in the past few days. At this range, Quantum expects the leading coin to move down again, returning to lows under $9,000. While the exact scenario of price moves is uncertain, Bitcoin is now giving rise to renewed bearish attitudes. On Saturday, Bitcoin price stagnated around $10,239.47, while Ethereum stopped around $282.86. And we know since then they've gone down, of course, here. And that's really just, I didn't want to get into it any further, but conceptually just understand that there are traders out there that are thinking that potentially, this little stop here right under 10,000 could get a little worse before it gets better here. And here we go. Take a look at this. This is also from Bitcoinist.com. Headline reads, Bitcoin dominance drops to 8-month low. Is alt season finally here? Well, many believe that the answer is yes and have been saying that for a week or two. Right? All right. Since the beginning of this year, the Bitcoin market share has declined by almost 11%. By the end of last year, it had topped 70%, but today it has dropped to 62.5% according to TradingView.com. This is the lowest it had been since early July 2019. Bitcoin itself has made around 44% this year in a climb from just under $7,200 to top out at $10,500 a couple of days ago. These gains are impressive when compared to any other asset such as gold, which has only managed just over 4% in the same period. However, in the world of cryptocurrencies, these gains have been eclipsed by some of the altcoins, several of which have surged by 3 figures since the beginning of the year. Total market capitalization itself is up over 60% since New Year's Day, as the rest of the cryptocurrencies outperform their big brother. Total crypto market cap topped $300 billion this week, which is the highest it had been since August of last year. Yeah, true enough words indeed here. And then, so they do go on to talk about top-performing altcoins. And I'll just cover this part there, right? Ripple's XRP. They should just write XRP. I'll tell you what, they're really burning my biscuits saying that nonsense. Ripple is not the same as XRP. XRP token has also been trading well lately and has gained 72% since the beginning of the year, also beating Bitcoin to the delight of company CEO Brad Garlinghouse. All right, next, here's a tweet from Awake, who goes by @MrLevelUp on Twitter. And he writes this. He's talking about XRP, of course. 38 cents plus for XRP within 6 days. That's what data shows. So even despite the fact that there was a pullback in the card. But that's why I'm saying, like, a lot of these traders, they're saying, okay, yeah, of course we knew a pullback was going to come, but it's probably going to be short-lived. So we shall see that. Next, a tweet from Leb Crypto, chart analyst. The ultra-bullish 5-year Elliott wave count scenario that has the potential to unfold if and only if XRP indeed becomes the standard. Number 1, global regulations are set. 2, the Interledger Protocol rules the Internet of Value. And 3, XRP becomes the asset that bridges all. And he writes, #XRP the standard. I would not hate that. Here's another tweet from Leb Crypto. XRP flashing a buy signal on the monthly for the first time since March 2017. Also, monthly, I forgot how to pronounce this, stochastic, I'd have to look it up again, I really forgot it. I had it down, but now I can't remember. Also, monthly stochastic RSI breaking out. Folks, this may be the beginning of another epic bull run. Expect a lot of volatility, especially if/when 38 cents is broken. So we will be watching for that. And here's a tweet from Johnny Mo, @JohnnyMoTrades, and wrote this. And the monthly. With February only halfway complete, monthly volume is 1.15 billion. The December 2017 monthly volume was 2.26 billion. There's a non-trivial chance that XRP is about to explode. And Leb Crypto retweeted that and wrote, Agreed. Hey, hopefully sooner or later, despite the pullback here, but nothing goes straight up, right? All right, here's a tweet from DIY Investing. This is the level I am watching with Bitcoin, $9,100 to $9,500. I do believe this zone is going to act as strong support and provide a good buying opportunity. We just broke out of a giant 7-month falling wedge. The dips are for buying. So maybe we will see a bit lower than we are seeing today. How about that? All right, next, here's a tweet from Awake at Mr. Level Up. This is the second one in this video from him. He wrote, here we go. Oh yeah, here we go. So I should cover this one first. There's a tweet from Queenie_XRP who wrote, "Are we still following the ETC pattern? Let's see." And if ETC is Ethereum Classic, and so he's been talking about how XRP had been lagging behind Ethereum Classic's price action here, and he's been charting that for some time. And so he wrote in response, Awake, who is at Mr. Level Up, responded to Queenie XRP by writing, "If it follows Ethereum Classic, still it goes to the 40 to 50% window, then retraces, and Bit begins big move ahead. Definitely can happen. We'll see soon." All right, next, here's a tweet from Josh Rager. "Stay encouraged with any pullbacks. After multiple weeks of green, a couple weeks of downward price action would be fine. Many were looking for the opportunity to buy, and this could present ample opportunities." All right, last one for this video. This is also from Josh Rager. And he's talking about Link here, but I just conceptually, what he was talking about, I still wanted to highlight this. And he wrote, "All assets correct." That's the reason I want to highlight this. "All assets correct. Nothing goes straight up. Link dropped down to $4.08 today, 10% to 15%, then bounced. Always opportunities." But that's it for this video. Thank you very much for stopping by, my friends. I am not a financial advisor. Do not buy or sell anything because of anything that I say or write. That would be a very, very, very bad idea. Until next time, to the moon, Lambo!